Uh, Respected Chief Secretary, ma'am, senior colleagues from All India Service, my senior colleague, retired DG Sri Malakonde Garu, officers from All India Services over here, my colleagues from AP Police, guests, visitors, members of the media, a very good evening to all of you. We have all gathered here today on this, actually it's a solemn occasion during the observation of a commemoration day and the days following the commemoration day. Earlier we used to observe the commemoration week, but this year onwards, all over the country, as per the direction of the Government of India, we are observing the days following the commemoration day up to 31st of October, which is a National Unity Day or Ekta Divas. And this was also something which the Government of India suggested to all the states, that we also need to present and showcase what the police forces are to the citizens and to the public. Very often, the kind of duties, the kind of engagement of police goes unnoticed for whatever reasons it may be. So therefore, band, that is one of the facets of police, also needs to be displayed to the citizens, to the society, that yes, within the ranks of the police, we do have something like this, and this is a different dimension of the police force. We are also mortals. We are also like any other member of the society. We also do observe certain engagements like music. Obviously, the origination of the band may have been, there may be some martial legacy to that, but then it also evolved where music in the form of band, of marching, as well as other kind of regalia which is offered for the constituents of the police department. And over the years, this has improved and this has taken different shapes. And I'm very happy to say that today what has been displayed, there is a lot of improvement made within the band, in the bands of Andhra Pradesh Police. After the bifurcation of the state, we had certain limitations in terms of our capacities, particularly the band capacities. We were all truncated. It took us a lot of time to really reorganize ourselves, and I see that there has been progress from the previous years. And this progress, as you see the pipe band today, and we also have heard music, classical music, renditions of Beethoven is also a progress. We are also able to hear music from across the country, and rendition of classical music also infused is something which marks progress. And AP Police has been progressing significantly, and particularly the stride of progress in the last 1 year has been quite something of which we are really proud of. Just now, before coming, I think many of you must have seen it in the media that AP Police was able to get a lot of technology awards, about 48 Scotch awards out of the 83 awards nationally. But just now, before coming here, there was another series of awards called as Governance Now, India Police Awards. In that, of the 28 awards, we were able to bag as many as 18 awards. Now, that again speaks of progress. That speaks of improvement. That speaks of positive stride that is being very steadfastly observed in AP Police. And all this is towards not only improving ourselves. Improving ourselves is basically towards efficiency, towards improving our skills and professional competencies, and towards better delivery of police services to the society and to the citizens. Now, I'm really proud to say that with so many recognitions which we are able to achieve and the kind of progress that we have made, we are really happy and feel very satisfied. And I'm sure that in days to come, we will all together, individually and collectively, work towards the vision and the goals that has been set and mandated by the government of Andhra Pradesh for AP Police. Please permit me to also mention about the Police Seva app, particularly. It has 87 police services being offered, and this Seva app also got one of the 2 gold medals in the Scotch, among the Scotch awards. The other one is the Disha app. Both very unique, very symbolic, and very meaningful. When I say AP Police Seva app, it has 87 police services available for a common man, for a citizen to access remotely. And for you to really understand and appreciate what kind of services it is offering. This AP Police Seva app was inaugurated by our Honorable CM on the 1st of October. And today is the 29th day. We had 32,000 downloads of FIRs across the state, which a citizen could access. Now you can imagine if a case is registered against you, or if there is a case in any police station, getting a copy of an FIR is so difficult. Forget getting a copy of the FIR. Even coming to the police station and requisition, asking and seeking for a service is also difficult. But getting an FIR copy from the palm of your hand is a real empowerment of the citizen. Now, 32,000 FIRs in the last 29 days was accessed by the citizens of Andhra Pradesh. That is the kind of service that is being available. Similarly, more than 16,000 searches have been made for stolen vehicles, two-wheelers. More than 3,000 missing person. You can understand the anguish of anybody if your loved ones, near and dear ones, is found missing. What do we do? Where do we search? About 2,600 unknown dead bodies were scanned. So this is the kind of service which our AP Police Seva app is offering to. So that is transparency, accountability, that is access the ease of access to the police service. It's empowerment of citizens, and that is precisely that we are trying to aim towards, offering better services as mandated by the government, services to the needy, services to the common man, and that we were able to really achieve through use of technology. Friends, today, amongst the various events that we have organized during the last couple of days, post 21st October, when we really pay homage to those amongst the police who have laid down their lives, who have made the ultimate sacrifice in the course of their duties, in the altar of their duties. There can be no greater sacrifice than their own lives. In times like this, we take stock, pause, and remember and pay homage to those who laid down their lives. And in times like this, we also look into the various welfare measures that we extend to our members of the police force and those families, particularly the families of the martyrs, families of those who laid down their lives. So on this solemn occasion, it's an occasion with mixed emotions, actually. We take this opportunity to reaffirm our commitment and our dedication to the tasks, the duties and responsibilities that has been laid down for us. We stand committed, and I'm quite certain that all of us, individually and collectively, we shall go about performing and discharging our duties and responsibilities in the expected standards that has been laid for us. So I really thank all of you who are here, the dignified guests who are here. In times like this, in the midst of uncertainty, police force also rose up to the occasion. There were no SOPs, there were no guidelines, there was no methodologies which were laid down, but we did respond to the occasion, faced the challenge, and then met with the expectations. I'm also proud to say that the contribution of AP Police in the state strategy to deal with COVID has been quite significant. There has been quite a large number of our force who got infected, more than 13,300. But today as we talk, there are just few of them who are still active. And we also lost quite a few of us in this challenge. So on this occasion, on these days also, we have been remembering them and taking care of their families. Now on this day, we also take this opportunity to express our gratitude to Madam Chief Secretary and colleagues from all other departments who have been particularly on the forefront in battling this COVID challenge which we face in the state of Andhra Pradesh. We have been able to really make a mark across the country in terms of our response, in terms of the standards, in terms of the yardsticks, in terms of the measures while responding to this challenge. So we also take this opportunity to acknowledge them on this occasion. With these few words, I really appreciate my colleagues who have really put this program today. They also really labored hard. Once again, they have displayed their commitment. That's a brand of AP Police. I must thank every one of them, led by ADG Sridhar, IG training Sanjay, AIG admin, of course our SP is here, and there are many of you who are there, OSD Ramakrishna, etc., etc. I must appreciate the band, members of the band, both the brass as well as orchestra and the pipe band. That's a new addition that we have in our police. So with from the bottom of my heart, I really thank each and every one of you. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you.